Hey everyone, this is Ann Mowbray with your latest Edmonton Real Estate Market update. Today, we're diving into some exciting changes happening in the market that you need to know about. Whether you're a buyer, a seller, or just someone interested in real estate trends, this update is for you. Big changes are happening. Interest rates have come down, and buyers are rushing back into the market. This is creating a dynamic environment where opportunities abound, but also where the stakes are higher than ever. But what does that mean for you? Well, it means that if you've been sitting on the fence about buying a home, now might be the perfect time to make your move. Lower interest rates can significantly reduce your monthly mortgage payments, making homeownership more accessible. With interest rates dropping, homeownership is becoming more affordable for many buyers. This is especially beneficial for first-time home buyers who might have been priced out of the market before. Now they have a better chance of finding a home that fits their budget. Lower mortgage rates mean lower monthly payments, so more people are getting pre-approved and ready to buy. This pre-approval process is crucial because it gives you a clear picture of what you can afford and makes you a more attractive buyer to sellers. This surge in buyer activity is shaking things up quite a bit. Open houses are busier, and showings are getting more crowded. If you're a buyer, you'll need to be prepared to act quickly when you find a home you love. As demand increases, we're seeing home prices start to trend upward. This is great news for sellers who might have been waiting for the right time to list their property. Higher demand often leads to higher prices, which can mean a better return on your investment. More buyers in the market means more competition for well-priced homes. This competitive environment can lead to bidding wars, where multiple buyers are vying for the same property. It's essential to have a solid strategy in place to navigate this. It's a classic case of supply and demand. When there are more buyers than available homes, prices go up and competition becomes fierce. Understanding this dynamic can help you make more informed decisions whether you're buying or selling. We're seeing more properties receiving multiple offers, especially in sought-after areas. This can be both exciting and stressful, so it's important to stay calm and work closely with your real estate agent to make the best possible offer. Sellers are getting stronger offers, sometimes even above asking price. This is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to sell their home quickly and for a great price. If you've been thinking about selling, now is the time to take advantage of this hot market. If you're in the market, you've got to be ready to move fast and decisively. For buyers, be prepared. Have your financing in order, know what you're looking for, and be ready to make an offer as soon as you find the right home. Get pre-approved, work with a realtor who knows how to navigate multiple offers, and move quickly when you find the right home. Your realtor can provide invaluable guidance and help you stand out in a competitive market. For sellers, this is a great time to list your property. With so many buyers eager to find their dream home, you're likely to receive strong offers and sell your home quickly. With demand rising, you could get top dollar for your home. Make sure your home is in top condition, priced right, and marketed effectively to attract the best offers. It's a win-win if you play your cards right. Both buyers and sellers can benefit from the current market conditions, but it's essential to be well prepared and informed. If you're thinking about buying or selling, now is the time. Don't miss out on the opportunities that the current market offers. Reach out to a trusted real estate professional to discuss your options and create a plan that works for you. Let's chat about your options and make the most of this market. Whether you're looking to buy your first home, upgrade to a larger space, or sell your current property, there are plenty of opportunities to explore. As always, like, share, and follow for more real estate updates. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights and tips to help you navigate the Edmonton real estate market.